Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is your 1 minute motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast for today. Here we go. My goal in 2022 is to accomplish the goals I set in 2021, which is what I should have done in 2020, because I made a promise in 2019, which I planned in 2018. Now, did you get all that? But in all seriousness, people actually do this. They spend so much time and energy creating the perfect goals every year for themselves, but have no desire to actually even get stuck into them. Keep your goals simple and something you honestly want to do. Get a few small things done first and momentum will build, and success always becomes addictive.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.